What's up, science crew? This is a tutorial to help you create events on Google Calendar and set notifications so you can be on time and show up for important events, deadlines, complete tasks on time. In our new online world, you guys are in charge of your own organizational strategies, and that means finding what works for you. Some of you might use a paper calendar, sticky notes, or a whiteboard in your room or home to help you remember what's going on. Some of you might set events, reminders, calendar things on your cell phones. Some of you might not have a system yet, so I wanted to share one with you that's easy to use. Because you have a school Gmail account, you have access to all the other Google apps. If you go to the waffle and scroll down, there's the Google Calendar. You see where it says 31? That's the Google Calendar app. You can also get there in Google Drive, clicking on the waffle, scrolling down. That will get you to the calendar as well. So we're going to go to the calendar and we're going to create an event because you need to do check-ins with me occasionally one-on-one. And a lot of you have been missing those appointments. We want to try to avoid that. So I thought I'd teach you one organizational strategy to help you be more successful in life, quite honestly. It's a very similar system on cell phones as well. So here we're going to create our event. Notice I clicked on the plus there. Meet with Miss Nichols. You have lots of options that you can play with here to help you stay organized in school, but right now we're just going to create a basic event. I can add guests, I can add description, talk about forces, but you notice there's no notification here. So we're going to go to more options. The notifications are what I find to be the most helpful. I'm going to add notification, and I like 15 minutes. You might need 30 minutes, maybe if, to get organized, get back to your computer, whatever you need to be ready before this event. Sometimes the event's a long ways off and you want to give yourself more than one reminder, like maybe a little ways out, like maybe you want 2 days before it happens. You can choose days. You can even choose weeks if you want, if it's a long ways out. So here we have 2 notifications set, one 2 days before, one 10 minutes before. Then my computer is going to let me know before this happens so that I can be on time, prepared, ready to go. I'm going to click save, and that's going to pop it here in my calendar. And then I can be checking my calendar occasionally, and also my calendar will set notifications for me to help me be on time. Hope this helps you get a little more organized for online learning and for life. Let me know if you have questions, and have a fabulous day.